Today we're going to walk you through some of the design elements we've selected for this kitchen. The first is the stepped shaker door in winter white. We wanted something transitional that looked more custom than just a plain shaker door. The second design element here is our countertops. In replacing the counters, we chose a quartz countertop for its durability and range of color options. This enabled us to use an undermount sink with updated faucet, which really modernized the kitchen. The third design element here is our handles. The black appliances are likely to stay, and the black handles are very on trend and added to the transitional colors of this kitchen. The dark backsplash was also staying, and so the dark squared handle made this look cohesive, but will still stay current even if the appliances are upgraded to stainless. You'll notice that the crown molding here is a flat piece of trim. This was mounted set forward to add depth at the top of the cabinetry and give it that extra built-in custom feeling. Our hinges in this kitchen are high-end, top-of-the-line soft close hinges, which finished off this quality kitchen update. The drawer slides for these beautiful Dovetail drawer boxes are a soft close undermount drawer track, which adds to the luxury of these beautiful drawers. The panels, trim, and toe kick were all replaced in this project. While you have the option to choose panels or paint, we used panels for the quickest change that required no mess and no painting. Using painted shaker doors, we took this kitchen from builder's grade to beautifully custom. With just a few simple updates, you too can adore your doors.